These videos of flying humans are going viral right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, Step 1. Create the image. The prompt has been placed in the comment section. Just copy the image prompt and head over to Photorealistic. The link's in the description. In Photorealistic, click on AI Generator and choose Text to Image. Then paste your prompt into the prompt box. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. Here is the image. Step 2. Image to video. Open the HitPaw video generator. I also put the link in the description. Choose Video Generator and choose the image to video. For the model, choose Sea Dance. Go back to the comments section and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the prompt box and input the image that we just generate. Then Sea Dance 2.0. Set the output to 9:16, then hit Generate. And here's the result. That slow drift over the glacier, the wind catching the hoodie, it's exactly the kind of clip that stops someone mid-scroll. And it's that simple. Here's another video I made using this method. So, that's the full workflow. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.